we're warming up the 410. Say that again. It sounds like what?
This thing sounds like a pro stuff. Check it out.
I am going to. John Draper's, what is it, like a 408? I forgot.
410.
410.
Yeah. I mean, it was nice and flat all the way through the whole thing. I was watching that.
Oh, good,
oil
good.
pressure, and trying to watch everything, so I didn't watch anything.
Yeah. I cannot even hear, like, the engine if the rockers or the pistons are sounding okay.
Yeah, it's so low.
I mean, I went to the dyno, and it did a real good job on the dyno. But you want to kind of, you know, like scrutinize like how it sounds right there. But it sounds like it's running on all 8, and I just needs an exhaust system.
Yep.
Well, thanks, Nab, for letting me hear it. John Draper's 410.
That's right.
As close as you can get these timing sets. Hey, some notes, if you got some AFR heads or you know, extra big valve springs, there's always a few things you got to know. 12-point head bolts are the best. They give you better socket clearance, and look at how close those springs are. All right, so I don't have a normal washer in there. I have a smaller washer. The others have the normal size washer. Jessel shaft rockers arrived. Now I have the heads installed, and next I'm going to put the Jessel shaft rockers on or fit them. Get the valve tip height or the rocker tip height. everybody, I'm working on the 409 stroker, a little bit at a time, but if you get a Callies Magnum crankshaft, realize that like a standard length crankshaft bolt, which I had to put back, for whatever reason, I don't know exactly why, but Callies puts, this will not engage the threads. They bore the end of the nose and they start the threads deeper in there, and so a normal crank bolt doesn't even begin to thread. You're going to need a longer crank bolt, which they don't make. You don't want to just get a piece of hardware from the hardware store. Callies has always made a stud, this part number, I get it from Summit, and I already opened it up. But dual use with this thing, though, it'll act as your hub installing stud. So threads are engaged right there, and you use this for your bolt for tightening it down. So on the 409 stroker, a longer stud is needed. These are about $45, so they're not cheap, but you got to pay for that too. So it's a bit more than a normal ARP stud. It's a bit more pricey than an ARP crankshaft bolt.